Hello everyone, this is a very quick demo how we can use the AgentiveHub to record your requirement. As soon as you click on the AgentiveHub, you come to the login page, and after your login, you come to your dashboard. In the dashboard, the first time you need to create your organization. You just create organization and say what's the company name you want to do and what this company do. This information and context pass to the agent to know your information. You can put the team or whatever in the document, and after that you create on a new project. When you go to the new project, you need to select one theme. Like you want a web application, you want a startup idea you want to launch, you want the AI process automation, whatever you need, you can click and then press the continue with web application. In this stage, you come and put a project name for yourself, the organization you want this project created, and provide a project description, and then you create project for that. When you're creating create project, if you have additional supplement document that you can upload in a document text format or PDF, you just upload it here and then press upload, or if you don't have any document, just press the skip document. AI keeps thinking, and then it provides you the initial draft of your requirement document. This may take up to 30 seconds or even to 1 minute, depend to your project. So now the task or requirement has been generated, and as you can see, is a list of in a markdown format that we can say what's a brief core feature requirement, very brief, that hopefully you are patient enough to read it, and you can of course put it here, click here and see it in a well formatted, but you can only edit here. And AI kind of review the service and tell you which area is a good coverage. Every time we can keep pressing AI review, that it review the process for us and actually come up with few new questions that help. By answering those questions we can improve the system automatically with AI, or you just start an editing here. Of course, you can save and different reversion of here, and all those files you uploaded can be visible here. As you can see, AI reviewed again and provide us 3 questions that we need to answer. How quickly should user get notification about deadline of a task? Instantly, within 5 minutes. Either you can write your answer or you choose one of them, or you just select let Agentive decide. For this area, I put hourly digest. What specific accuracy rate should the AI achieve? We said let Agentive decide. How long should the system keep user voice recording? We call it for a 1 year detection. So this is about the task manager and AI come ask, and we just press the update. You can multiple option put it here, and it provide all this new feature. It added as a new line or update the existing one and reassess again whole your project. When your project is about 80%, of course try to bring it as much as possible, then you can submit it to us. When you submit it to us, we will review it and come back with the code and or reject it or asking a few more feedback or few output. So as you can see, it added a new feature, Hourly Digest for Hasia, voice recording task history to record 12 months, and it improved the quality now to 7 to 9%. It tells you a few things, and now we have a version 2 that we can return back. You can follow this issue here and add 5 or 10 more words out of the scope, or clarity notification. You add those one, and you keep doing this process. So I click here to the AI review, or I just come and edit more features or based on the initial review and answer them. It gave me 3 more questions that I'm going to answer. I answered the question and I just pressed the updating blueprint. As you can see, the process has finished, and now our quality jumped to 85%. Even still, I can work more to make sure all the requirements there, but it's good enough for us to press the submit. By pressing the submit, we at Agentive will process this one and come up with a code or feedback on your requirement. Uh, and after it completed, it's now read-only, and you can back to your projects and part of your project list. Now you can view this new project anytime you want. As you can see, status is submitted. When we process it, the status will change and you get the notification by email that you need to process it. That's a quick one. I hope you can write your requirement here and start and utilize Agentive.